Hi nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, as you can see, my nails are really short. I have taken off my gel or acrylics and in the hope of putting on a new set, and then the massive snow fell over here and my lamp was like kaput. So I ordered a new lamp. Now I knew my lamp was going, so I had ordered a new lamp, but the snow came and it stopped the delivery. Now I don't usually do these show and tell of lamps and lights and stuff like that. I don't show off like equipment that I get, but I thought I'd show off this lamp because the Sun 5 light LED and UV curing lamp is all over Instagram and the internet. So ignore the no hands now because I'm just taking it out of the box. So yeah, the Sun 5 is everywhere, but I wanted to get the Sun 6. So I thought I would do that and treat myself to a new lamp because the other one was dying a quick death. So I'm just going to stop the video, and I'm still here, I swear. I'm just going to stop the video and get it out so you can have a look. I have taken it out of the big brown box that Amazon sent it in, and this is the box it comes in itself. So it says Smart Nail 2.0, Smart Painless Builder, Hard Gel Curing, Smart Double Speed Curing, Smart Time Memory Function, Smart Sensor, Smart Digital Time Display, Smart Over Temperature Protection, Sunshine Nails, Comfortable Eye Contact, 2-in-1 UV LED lamp, Sunshine Non-Harmable, Non-Blackening UV LE. I'm sure that's meant to say LED, and this says Sun 6. And here are the colours it comes in. You can get white, pink, red and black. I got white because it was €10 cheaper than the rest of them. Notice, do not use acrylic or acidic liquid to clear chips, or else it will lead to failure of chips. I don't really know what that means, but that's written on the side of the box. So let us just take it out of the box itself. Now I'm afraid my camera doesn't zoom out anymore because my tripod is quite small. So here is the light. It's very small. Seems very small compared to the one I have. The one I have is massive. So this is teeny tiny. Now it's open on both ends. So you want to make sure you don't put your hand too far in the back of it. I'll have to check the price. I think I paid was the delivery free maybe. I think I paid 40 quid for it, pounds sterling. I think maybe 40 euro actually it was. So we have 30 seconds, 60 seconds, double power, low heat, 99-second mode, and then we have a timer on the top of it. It is very sleek, and we have a plug. Please be a UK plug. Yes, it is a UK and Ireland adapter plug. Thank goodness for that. So we will just plug her in. Okay, so as I plug her in, the minutes flash. There is instructions with it as well, but I'm not really one for instructions. Gel polish application. Well, I don't really need to know how to apply gel polish. So let us see, it's all in colour, which is nice. Is there any English? Okay, so gel polish application is showing you how to apply all gel polish. So really it depends. Place, like it says here, place nails into LED lamp and cure for 30 seconds. If applying clear manicure, skip the protect instructions. Now, I think you can apply for 30 seconds because it depends on the LED. The LED lamp is programmed for 60 seconds with a beep at 30 seconds for ease of curing in both times requirement. Now, I don't think you can say cure for 30 seconds because it really depends on your gel polish and your builder gels. So when we put our hand in, it has an automatic an automatic on off. Now it says it's a 5-hand cure, but if you put your whole 5 hands, if you put your 5 hands in, you'd want to be very careful that you're still under, because look, I can see the top of my fingers there. If my nails are very long, and I was to cure them, like, they'd be out to here if I was to cure the 5 of them, unless I was to do it kind of slightly sideways. And you can take it out, and if we press 30 seconds, it just goes on for 30, and you can see the timer going on. If you press 60 seconds, it'll go on for 60 seconds. So yeah, I think it's nice. I just think it's a little bit small. I was expecting a much bigger lamp like this. Mega one here is my old one. Look at the length of it. And it's still going. I can't even fit it on the screen. Okay, so that's the length of my old lamp, and this is the length of my new lamp. So my new lamp length is the same width of my old lamp. So I like my new lamp. I just think it's a little bit small, but really what I'd be doing is I'd be doing 4 fingers and I'd be doing a thumb, I think. And the lights, from what I know, the back comes off. Yeah, this clicks. Oh, it's magnetic. That's handy. So that clicks off. I suppose you could do it like this if you really wanted to. Yeah, you could cure it like that way if you wanted, I suppose. Higher up and stuff. Yeah, I like it. I will fill you in at a later date on how I get on with it. They are the bulbs there. I wouldn't bother changing them. I don't know if you can change them. I'd say you would be better off just getting a new lamp than trying to change the bulbs on this. I'm not sure about that double power setting either. I think I'd rather just throw it in for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, whatever is needed, you know. So guys, I hope you liked this. It's not something I normally do. If you'd want to see more of my tools that I use, I've got a brand new daylight lamp as well. I could show you that too. I have a couple of other new bits but I wouldn't normally do a video on, but I thought I'd just show you this new lamp because I was like, yay, new stuff. So guys, until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye. So actually, jumping back into it really quickly, I have sculpted this nail on my favorite forms. These are like butterfly shaped forms, and I love them, but the only thing is they're quite thick, and with my old big massive lamp that I showed you, I always found it didn't really cure on the underside, that I'd kind of take it off and it'd still be quite soft, so then I'd be turning my finger around and I'd be curing that as well, and I'd always be curing. Every time I put my finger in the lamp, I'd be curing for 3 minutes. Now it's the lamp, because that old pink lamp was just disaster. It's like 10 years old or something. Well, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but yeah, so I was always curing for 3 minutes. I did 2 coats of LED Astonishing Nails UV pink cover builder gel, and I cured the sculpt for 1 minute the first time, and then I went in with a second bead. I always call them beads because I'm an acrylic girl, but blob maybe because it's gel, and then I only cured that for 30, took off the form, turned it over. It wasn't sticky at all, but I still cured the underside just for 30 seconds just to be sure, and now it is done and I love it. And I just filed over it with a sanding block. I don't need to go crazy. I think all the sculpting is all about your brush, not your file. So, and this is the finished nail, and I think my nails will be long now by the end of the day. I have to go out, unfortunately, so I cannot sit here and do 10 fingers, but woohoo, lovely long nails again. I love my nails being long. So guys, if you are thinking about getting this LED UV Sun 6 lamp, it is a little bit small, as I was saying before, but it is great. So I'm just going to bring my camera up again just to show you what I mean in regards to being a bit small. I want you to see the back of it. So if I put my whole hand in, for my thumb, there's my thumb here, for my thumb to be in properly, Can we lift up and see? Look, my nails are sticking out the side, other end. So I would be curing 4 and then 1 on my thumb. But yeah, other than that, I love the lamp. It just needs to be an inch bigger. I think the Sun 6 is actually, or the Sun 5 is the same size. So I don't know why this Sun 6 is better than the Sun 5. Maybe it's not. So until the next one, guys, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.